Hey there, hope you are doing well. So here we find out one of the odd man out question, odd man out question. So the direction for the question is what? There are five jumbled up sentences labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4 related to a topic are given below. Four of them can be put together to form a coherent paragraph. Identify the odd sentence and key in the number of that sentence as your answer. So in that case, we can say it is a odd one out question. So we generally find out two questions in CAT exams. Um, so look at each sentence. The first sentence stated, by examining the artist's personal correspondence, scholars have unearthed new evidence that cast doubt on the long-held interpretation. Second, this groundbreaking reinterpretation challenges our understanding of the artwork's meaning and its place within the artistic movement. Third, traditionally, the artwork has been interpreted as a symbolic representation of societal upheaval during a period of political unrest. Four, the newly discovered evidence suggests that the artist was primarily motivated by personal experiences of loss and grief. Five, consequently, art historians are now reconsidering the artwork's thematic focus and emotional core. Well, by examining the artist's personal correspondence, right? So, what we need to do, um, we find out that scholars have unearthed a new evidence that cast doubt on the long-held interpretation. So, can we say that this is uh, interaction one? Yes, we can say that this introduces the new idea, introduces the new idea that new evidence has been found challenging the traditional interpretation, right? So, second said, this groundbreaking reinterpretation challenges our understanding of the artwork meaning and its place within the artistic movement. So, this sentence does what? This sentence talks. This sentence talks about a reinterpretation, right? Reinterpretation that challenges the understanding of the artwork, right? And it's a contest within the art movement. Uh, so in that case, can it be the second sentence? No. So look at the third one. Third one said traditionally the artwork has been interpreted as a symbolic representation of societal upheaval during a period of political unrest. This provides context about the provides context about the traditional interpretation of the artwork. Traditional interpretation of the artwork, right? Artwork. So in that case, yes, we can say this would be the second sentence. As the first one stated about examining the artist's personal correspondence, scholars have unearthed new evidence that cast doubt on the long-held interpretation. And traditionally, the artwork has been interpreted as a symbolic representation of societal upheaval during a period of political unrest that provides a contrast, right? That provides a context about the traditional interpretation of the artwork. So therefore, one and two, or one and three makes a kind of a pair here. We find out the newly discovered evidence suggests the artist was primarily motivated by personal experiences of loss and grief. So um, we can say that this sentence presents what? The new evidence, the new evidence uh, which gives a different motivation for the artist work. So uh, we can say that this would be the next sentence to this pair, which can add here, right? So, but fifth is indicating as a consequently, art historians are now reconsidering the artwork's thematic focus and emotional core. So we can say that it is a conclusion conclusion by showing the impact of the new evidence on art historians' views, isn't it? So, on the basis of the analysis, what we can find out uh, 1, 3, 4, and 5. makes a kind of a pair, forms a coherent narrative about the discovery of new evidence. The traditional interpretation of the artwork, the new evidence, suggesting a different motivation and the reconsideration by art historians. Art historians, isn't it? So, whereas if I look at the sentence two, what does it say? Sentence two discusses that this groundbreaking reinterpretation challenges our understanding of the artwork's meaning and its place within the artistic movement. So, this discusses the broader implication of the reinterpretation, but can be removed without disrupting the flow of discovery, evidence, and reaction. The focus is more on the what, more on the impact, impact on the art movement, which is not as directly connected to the other sentences that center on the evidence and its immediate implication. So finally, we can draw that what the or sentence out is sentence two, right? Sentence 2, as the rest of the sentences from a logical sequence about the discovery of new evidence and its impact on the understanding of the artwork. So here the sequence is called as a 1, 3, 4, and 5, and the odd one H, option 2. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.